Right, this is the first tutorial to show you what to do once you've downloaded the modding tools and the patch. I've got the modding update here and the mod tools here. First of all, I'm going to unzip the mod tools, so I'm just going to double click and I'm going to extract to the desktop. This might take a little while depending on how good your computer is. Right, it has finished extracting now. I told it to put it on a folder on the desktop. So I've got the folder which all the files are in, which is here. What you have to do now is select all the files in that folder, copy them, then you need to go to your Call of Duty 4 directory, so mine would be C, Program Files, Activision, Call of Duty, and then you would paste the files in here. I'm not going to paste them because I've already got them and it will overwrite stuff which I've already got. So you paste them in there. It might ask you, do you want to overwrite files? You want to click yes. Okay, so once that has done, you want to now go and extract the mod tools patch, which is this one here on my desktop. You extract that to wherever you want. Right, my mod tools is now my mod tools update is now on my desktop in this folder. I'm going to open up this folder. I don't need these three things here, it's just this bin file which I need. There's two things in here, COD4 effects, COD4 Radient, they're two icons, exe files. Again, you need to go to your Call of Duty directory, so C, Program Files, Activision, Call of Duty. Once you're here, you need to go into the bin directory, double click on that, and you can see that there's a COD4 effects and COD4 Radient. Now, I have renamed these to those two original files just in case something goes wrong. So you can just rename them. And now what you want to do is you want to select these two out of your update, right click, copy, and paste them into this bin folder. Right, so now you have your all the files you need. Now, if I was you, I'd put a shortcut for the Radient on your desktop. So right click, send to desktop, and now you can see it's on my desktop. So to open it, all you got to do is double click. Right, it might take a while to actually load the Radient depending on the speed of your computer. Right, my Radient has now opened. Sometimes, I can't remember if it's on the Radient or on the compiling tools, it will ask you for a project file. This can be found, it will come up with a little window like this. Now this can be found in your Call of Duty root file, which is your Call of Duty Modern Warfare. You double click on the bin file again, you can see it's called COD4.project. Right, so this is your Radient. I'll do some other tutorials on how to use the Radient. There's another thing which you need to know though before you can start doing anything. So I'm just going to shut the Radient for now. I'm going to go back into the bin folder and I'm going to open up the compiling tools, which you have to click on COD4 compiling tools. Double click on that folder. Now you've got a COD4 compiling tool exe, you need to right click on that, send to desktop. I don't need that anymore. Right, so you've got these two files on your desktop. You can use this one to get into this other one. So you double click on the compile tools. It will come up with preferences and you will need to tell it where your Call of Duty directory is. So you go browse, C, Program Files, Activision, Call of Duty, and then you just click OK at that part. Now you've got a few tabs at the top. You've got level compiling, this is where you would compile your map. I'll do that in another tutorial. You've got applications, so you've got your Radient, this level editor. You've got effects editor, so you can edit fire and bits and pieces. Asset manager, where you do load screens and compasses, and run converter, where you use if you've done any changes. Then you've also got some documents and tutorials, which has got a link. I hope that tutorial helped you setting up. If it didn't, please post in comments of any trouble you have, and I will try and help you with those. Thank you.